channel. So if you guys don't know who I am, I'm Disha Rajgar. I make videos on fashion, self-portraits and basically anything and everything I like. And in today's video, we are going to see how to style a easy breezy white summer dress into 4 different ways, but with a twist. And also one thing I like about dresses is that we don't have to make too many efforts, like ऐसे ही पहन के निकल गया, but then too will look good. Like people will actually think कि कितने सारे efforts किया, but who knows? So that's the beauty of it. And the twist is, in this video we are going to see how to make or elevate a white dress into trendy looking and summer appropriate. So yeah, and I have particularly chosen the white dress because firstly it's summer and secondly we all have that one white dress in our wardrobe, like it's the staple piece. So yeah, and if you guys don't have one, this is the sign to get one. So yeah, without any more blabbering, let's just jump into the video. Okay, so as you guys know by the title, this look is all about same color zone vibes. Okay, so let me make it simpler. What basically it means is that the color should be in the same color vibe, or you can say same color family, so that it makes a look more better in color wise. So yeah, it's all about mixing and matching the color spot of the same color family, or you can say same color palette. So like for example in this look we are going to use beige and white color, and as we all know this color goes well together as they comes in the neutral zone, and after practicing you will know which color goes well together, so don't worry. And to add a pop of color to the whole look, as the whole look is in the neutral zone, we are using a blue bag, and finally to complete the look, a pair of golden hoops, mask and shades because it's summer baby, but it's lockdown too. So yeah, anyways, don't forget the power accessorizing, guys. It can make any outfit look good and it just elevates any outfit in just few seconds. So, also I don't know if you have noticed it or not, we have used a beige color mask here so that it matches to the whole neutral zone. So yeah, here's our first outfit is ready. So this look is everybody's favorite look, a super classic casual look, and of course in this look we are going to pair the white dress with a classic denim jacket, white sneakers, pair of golden hoops, a dainty neck piece, a backpack, mask, shades and a cap of course. So yeah, that's it. Our second outfit is ready. See, so simple. And as this look is super casual, we have accessorized it a little bit more so that it makes the look more alive and elevated. So yeah. If you guys want to make a summer dress look chic, so just throw on your pair of ankle and boots, a long easy jacket, bucket hat. Don't forget the shades and sunscreen because it's necessary. I know guys, बाहर जाने का कोई chance तो नहीं है, but let's just lift our mood up by dressing it up just for ourselves. So yeah, and also don't forget to style the jewelry because it just look elegant and sexy. So yeah, that's it. Your summer chic look is ready. blocking, and I personally love color blocking. Like it looks like we are having so much effort, but still it looks effortless and cool. So yeah, and so what basically color blocking means is that we use 2 or 3 colors together to make an outfit. Like it can be anything. Like for example, a pink bag and a combination of yellow shirt. So yeah, see here we have used 2 different colors, pink and yellow for color blocking, and they will look good together. So yeah, and if you don't have the budget of buying different color jeans, shirts or t-shirts, just go and buy different color accessories. Like it can be anything, a handbag, a scrunchie, or a nail paint, and also a different color footwear. So yeah, in this way you can save your money too and color block easily. And color blocking doesn't always mean using bright and poppy colors. It can be as simple as color combination of blue, beige and white. So, and if you are the person who don't like to experiment with too many colors, go for neutral zones, or you can also try this one like blue, beige and white color combination. So yeah, and especially in summers, color blocking looks super cool, and it's also very in right now. So yeah, and also as summer is going on, don't go for darker shades, instead go for pastels or light shades so that it makes the look more chill and light. So yeah, so as you can see in this look, I have used 2 different colors for color blocking. So I have paired the white dress with the green shirt. I have made a crop shirt and with pastel shade slip-ons. So yeah, so as we all know, green and blue are the whole different colors, but then too they are complementing the look so well. They are looking good together. So yeah, that's it. It's easy. Color blocking is tricky, but it looks super cool. Once you understand the color combinations, you will get the idea. Keep experimenting with colors. You will know which colors will go well together. So yeah, and also you can search it on Google or Pinterest for color combinations. So yeah, and then I stack up the jewelry because of course why not, it's important. And then carried a handbag, a cap, shades and a mask. So yeah, and that's it, our 4th look is ready. So yeah, do let me know which look did you like the most in the comments down below, because it means a lot to me. And also if you guys have any idea or what you want to see next on the channel, so do comment down that too. And yeah, that's it. Do like, share, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you in the next one.